Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's now time for us to talk about another important kind of fast food that is called the French fries. They are not chips. They look like chips, but they are not chips because they are dry, and some of them are baked. Chips are the ones that are fried in the oil, but they are not dry. They are left moist and soft. These ones are crunchy and crispy. So to make French fries, we start by cutting the potatoes into thin strips, and then we soak the potatoes into water to remove excess starch. And we heat the oil in a deep fryer to a high temperature, and then carefully add the potatoes to the hot oil and fry them until they are golden brown and crispy and dry. And then we remove the fries from the oil and drain the oil on paper towels and season with salt to taste. So the fries do not have any traces of oil after that, so they look like they have been baked to an ordinary eye. So here are the ingredients that we are going to need. Not much anyway. We need potatoes. French fries are made from potatoes, typically russet or Yukon Gold types of potatoes. They need oil, vegetable oil or canola oil or peanut oil, and they also need salt and pepper and other types of seasonings. So when we talk of French fries, those we showed you in earlier pictures of hamburgers, and even in the image of a group of fast foods, we did show you, indicate what French fries look like. So right now we're just going to talk about the ingredients that you need. First of all, the main ingredient is the potato itself. We also have the types of salt that you need, and this is the olive oil, and these are the seasonings that you have to grind and then add onto the final mixture. So now that you have the ingredients, let's talk about how they are combined in order to make the French fries. So you start by selecting potatoes suitable for making French fries. You've already talked about some of them, the russet types of potatoes and the Yukon Gold potatoes, because some potatoes are too they have a high moisture content that is going to be difficult to remove, to drain out. So at the end they might not they might look like chips instead of French fries. And there are so many clients who will come saying they have a problem with high cholesterol and heart problems, so they have been told by the doctors not to eat too much oily or oil-rich types of food, so they might end up being turned away if you do not choose the right type of potatoes. So peel the potatoes and then cut them into evenly sized sticks or wedges, and then you rinse the cut potatoes under cold water to remove excess starch. After that, soak the potatoes in cold water for at least 30 minutes and then drain and pat them dry with paper towels. You will then preheat a deep fryer or a pot with oil to about 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. After that, carefully add the potatoes to the oil in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the fryer or the pot, otherwise the oil is going to spill out, and then once it catches a flame, then it is going to set your house on fire. So that's you need to be careful there. So after that, then you fry the potatoes for about 4 to 5 minutes or until they are light golden brown and crispy. You can then remove the cooked fries with a slotted spoon. A slotted spoon is one that has holes underneath, so that you can drain the oil, and then place them on a paper towel lined plate to drain the excess oil. After that, you can then season the fries with salt and any other desired seasonings such as garlic powder, paprika or parsley, and then there you go, serve to your customers and start making money in your business. So the next video is going to help you visualize what we've been talking about, and after watching it, we are quite certain that you'll be ready to start your French fries manufacturing business. All the best. Let's